Hey everybody, welcome to another Sniffle video. I apologize for my lack of presence here over the last year and a bit. Life has sort of gotten in the way, but I'm back here now. And this is just to let all my subscribers know that uh, I'm still here, I'm still around, but I will no longer be doing uh, tutorials for Elementor nor Astra. I've made the switch last year in 2020, around the middle, to go with all things Cadence. The Cadence uh, theme, the Cadence blocks, everything they have to offer. It's just the way I see things progressing. So I hope I don't lose a whole lot of subscribers, and maybe I'll hope to gain a lot more. But there will be more coming here in subsequent days. And so, with that, I'll just bid farewell and hope to see you soon.